Hey, what's up, YouTube? Everybody's been complaining about needing the client updated because the camera feature is not working and saving outfits is not working and a bunch of things like that. So I've updated the client so it's on a newer version and not as buggy. Um, I'm gonna put the downloads description for y'all and all that good shit on the new video. You can watch this video to figure out how to install it or anything you need to know. Leave me a motherfucking like. You know, I gotta like my own shit. Y'all don't like my shit anymore. Leave me no dislikes. I mean, why does this have 4? Like, come on, what the fuck? You know, give me them views. I mean, I'm not even monetizing these videos. Here, you guys want to see? Let's see. Let's see. Where do I go? YouTube Studio. I'll show you. I don't monetize anything. I'm not trying to make money off of YouTube and all that shit. Let's see, videos. You should see none of these are monetized. I don't even know what the monetized symbol looks like anymore. You see, they just assholes taking down the good stuff for you guys. So, I'm tired of YouTube. But, yeah, just, I'm gonna upload this video. Sorry I'm so lame right now. It's 2:04 a.m. I'm gonna upload this client for you guys and drop a video. And then, yeah. Tomorrow I got some new things coming out, so tune in for the next video. I'm gonna have hacks on how to lock people out their accounts, new TADE versions, everything. It's all out. So just tune in for tomorrow, because some powerful tools are coming. Alright. Later, guys. Subscribe, like, comment, all that shit. Don't give me the bullshit.